Alright everyone, this may or may not be the peak. Hey there, welcome to part 3 of my Hong Kong vlog series. Today we're going to be going to Lin Heung, which is a famous dim sum restaurant, mostly known for how old they are and the fact that they still use like push carts, which is something pretty hard to find in Hong Kong these days considering how expensive real estate is. There was also a viral video about how they were gonna be closing, so that also got them even more popular over the past couple years. But it turns out they're not closing since they were able to renew their lease. But we're gonna visit them, see how their dim sum is, hit up some egg tarts, visit a jail, and then hike Victoria Peak. Alright, let's go. Welcome. Today we're riding on the Star Ferry. I chose to go on the upper deck. There's a slightly better view. Alright, I think I should get dim sum before it gets too crowded. So, update on Lin Heung. It is one of the most recommended dim sum places, but it is not good. I talked to a local who went there. Apparently dim sum used to be way better, but now they're cutting corners. Basically only old people go there. Old people who don't want to change and are just used to going there, keep going there. But the food has gotten bad. Alright, let's find something better to eat. I feel like I wasted a bunch of stomach space. Alright, I'm at this random corner outside of the fort because there's nowhere else to stand. I crushed this just taking it out of the bag. Hokkaido milk. They use like the shortbread. They don't do like the flaky ones here. Or even poke holes at the bottom to keep it crispy. And then we have the classic egg tart or dan tat. I don't know the names of the other ones. Alright, we're now in the courtyard of Taekwon. So in the back was the building I was just in. Some restoration back there, and then I think this is the main part we're gonna head into. A lot of this has been turned into like restaurants and shops. So let's go to the prison yard. We're going into this brick building, looking more and more like a prison. Look at these. This reminds me of One Piece. This is the prison yard. We got this massive wall right here. Okay, so we're in the actual prison. The height of these doors are pretty low. I'd barely make it. If I was like an inch taller, I would probably hit it. I think our modern prisons still kind of look like this. The door was just outside, and then this is what's inside. When you're a prisoner. Let me out! Whoa. They upgraded this place, obviously, and they put these mirrors here. It makes the prison look bigger than it actually is. But you're essentially in like, what is it? Half my wingspan. Maybe like a 5x5 cell. The other side, and that's an actual bar that they put into the old prison. Like, look at all the alcohol. After my hard prison stint, I've finally been let out. It's been years, and look at this modern architecture. It wasn't there when I went in. Welcome to the mortuary. That's where dead people once laid, and they cut them open. And this is really weird because there's this mortuary right here. And then the next thing is the bathrooms. Alright, so today we are hiking up to Victoria Peak, and we're currently at where is the street sign here? We're currently going up Albany Road, which I think is the right way. If not, then I have led you astray for the second time in 2 days. Welcome to Stanley Snack Review. Today we are drinking Asahi black coffee. It's probably most likely a dark roast. And second snack of the day is 7-Eleven egg sandwich. This is basically just white bread, egg salad. It's mayo and egg. Alright, we reached some intersection. It says Old Peak Road. I think I'm going the right way. Alright, running across the street. As the sidewalk ended. Didn't get run over. Alright, I crossed the street and it looks like it just ended. And everyone looks like they came walking from this way. Assuming I'm going the right way, you'll see this purple, blue, gray, whatever. Is the only way that looks like it's going up, so let's try it. Alright, that just looks like someone's house, but there's stairs here. Led you wrong again. I just came out of this dark forest and checked my GPS. They're totally off base. Need to reach the peak somehow. Alright, let's try again. Alright, I missed it the first time around, but if you go up the sidewalk where the old peak trail, there's no sidewalk, but there's like a place you turn just right there. Can't believe I missed it. You want to go up. Okay, so very soon there's this main path. There's these stairs. I don't know which way is right. We'll try the stairs. That looks like where you dump dead bodies. Obviously that was the wrong way, so we're going back down now. Ooh, that's my eyesight. It's so hot out here. Alright, so I'm almost missed another turn. Good thing I read the sign, the peak is this way. If you want to turn at the house. Super iconic view. Let's get to the top. So after you visit touristy things, there's the ice cream dude here. You want to take what's this called? Mount Austin Road up, and there's a sign that says Victoria Peak Garden. That's the right way. Most of the people don't walk up here. I guess they don't want to climb, but you can also pay $42 to go up on top of that building. Straight across the street, there's another step. Alright, I was wrong. That was actually a road to a private residence. So don't go up that stairs. You want to start going up the road. Alright, so if you want to go see the gardens, there's the sign. But according to Google Maps, if you take this road, the unmarked road, it should be the shortest path to the actual peak observation area. Alright, it appears to be straight through there. I hope it's not that one. Let's go. Alright everyone, this may or may not be the peak. Look at the harbor. I'm not sure. Alright, so I wasn't satisfied with the other lookout point. We're going down the other road that I skipped before. This might be the better road. Alright, someone spoke Mandarin to me for the first time, and I had no clue what he was saying. Well, I knew he was asking if like how far to the tallest point is the gist of it, but I didn't have the capacity to respond to that, so I was just like, yeah.